Do you want to know how you can log into your Spot AI account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your spot.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Spot AI login. Click on the first or the second link which appears on your screen. It will redirect you to the login portal of spot.ai where you can log in using your Google or your email address. So, to log in using your email address, go ahead and write down your email address over here and then write down your password in this box. Make sure these email address and password is correct, because if this is not correct, you cannot log into your spot.ai. After you write down your email address and password, go ahead and click login. This way you can successfully log into your spot.ai account. If you don't remember your password and want to recover it or to change it, go ahead and click this link which is over here. If you want to skip all of this and want to take it the easy way, go ahead and click login with Google. It will open up a separate login portal of Google where you can select your Google account, click continue to sign in to spot.ai, and in a while you can see that the Spot AI dashboard will open up and you have been logged in to your account. I hope this video about how you can log into your spot.ai account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.